So in this video, I'll be showing you how to do like multiple buttons in Scratch. It's like there's only like at least like a minimum amount of like the keyboard buttons you can press in Scratch. I'll be showing you like how to do the enter button. You can do like the @ symbol. You can do any button. And this video will show you how. Just name the project multiple buttons because it's going to be showing it. And then I'm going to add a one green flag clicked if like we're just going to do a key press, but there's like minimum amounts. I can't even find the enter button. No worries. You know that join block? I can empty the second part of it, and then the first part I can write like anything like I want to be the button. I can do enter. Now, for example, I'll just do change color effect by like 25. Then whenever I press enter, it's actually changing it. The enter actually works. That's very cool, right? Like the enter works. Anything can work like this. Look, if I do like the @ symbol and I press the @ symbol on the keyboard, it's gonna work. I can do any symbol as I like. I can do any button, and it actually works. You don't have to use the minimum amounts. You can actually just use this trick. Pretty cool, huh? Like I can do like enter. I can do any number. I'll see you, but this video is ended, so I'll see you next time. Bye.